If your feet tingle at night, your toes feel numb during the day, or you feel burning or electric sensations, this is your body telling you something is wrong. After age 60, circulation in the legs naturally slows, and when nerves don't get enough oxygen, symptoms like tingling, burning, numbness, and even balance issues can appear. The good news is that simple, targeted movements can help improve circulation, reduce nerve irritation, and make your feet feel stronger and more comfortable. 1. Ankle pumps. This exercise helps improve circulation in your lower legs, reduce swelling, and relieve tingling. It gently pushes blood back toward the heart, preventing it from pooling in your feet. To do it, sit comfortably and slowly pull your toes toward your shins, then point them away. Repeat 15 to 20 times, several times a day. Many seniors notice their feet feel warmer and lighter after just a few sessions. 2. Calf raises. Your calves act like a second heart, pumping blood to the legs and supporting nerve health. Strengthening them helps reduce burning sensations, improve balance, and make walking more stable. Stand behind a chair for support. Rise onto the balls of your feet, hold briefly, and lower slowly. Start with 10 repetitions and build up gradually. Over time, your legs will feel stronger and less fatigued. 3. Ankle rotations. Stiff ankles can restrict blood flow and worsen nerve symptoms. Rotating your ankles improves joint mobility and keeps blood moving through the small vessels around your lower legs. Sit with one leg extended and rotate your foot in a slow, controlled circle, then switch directions. Doing this a few times daily helps your feet feel lighter and reduces the heavy, tired sensation. 4. Toe spread and squeeze. This exercise targets the small muscles in your feet that are rarely used, creating a pumping effect that improves circulation around your nerve endings. Place your feet flat on the floor, spread your toes apart as wide as you can, and hold for 5 seconds. Then curl and squeeze them downward for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Seniors who practice this regularly often report less nighttime burning, better balance, and more sensation returning to their feet. These movements are simple, but when done consistently, they can improve circulation, support nerve health, reduce discomfort,